Okay, I think we're back. Somehow the video kicked out for a second. Don't know why. And we're back. Okay, another crossings here. Let's see, checking the traffic both ways. Oh, gotta get going. Here comes the car. Okay. Looks like we're hitting around 17 miles an hour now. Probably hear that wind. Nice little creek over on this side. There's my shadow. Okay, another major crossing coming. This is a major little road here. It's called Mid-Cities Boulevard. Let's see what we got. Looks like we're clear. It's got a nice little center divider here. The traffic coming the other way. I can see several cars. Let's see. We'll let this other one pass here. Give me a chance to regroup. Okay. Turn on that throttle and I don't even have to pedal much to get across. All right. You can pedal along if you like. It's actually really good exercise. If I'm going downhill or something, I usually cut the motor off and just pedal along. Uphill, it really helps flatten out the hills, as they say. Where I'm going to be passing a fellow biker here. I'll say hi to him. Hi, how are you? Okay, I've got a little bridge here we're going to cross, and then I think we'll shut down the recording here. It's actually quite a pleasant morning. Here's a little field. Okay, I can see the bridge ahead. I'm not doing any pedaling now. I'm just letting the motor take me. That's one of the nice things about the electric bike. If you tire out, you can just enjoy the motor taking you through. Very nice bridge here. Alrighty. Well, I guess I'll sign off now. Just wishing you guys a good day. Enjoy biking if you get the chance. Have a nice day now. Bye-bye.